Now, let's delve into some of the standout features of our new portal, powered by Open edX, and how it's set up to maximize your success. Our platform is built to be accessible for everyone. It is entirely browser-based, so there is no need to install extra software. We adhere to WCAG 2.1 AA standards, ensuring inclusivity for all learners. All videos come with customizable captions and multi-language subtitles, making it easier to learn in whichever language you prefer. We want you to learn anytime, anywhere. The intuitive design makes it simple to find your way around. The new platform is fully mobile responsive, and we even have iOS and Android apps for on-the-go learning. Each feature is optimized to keep you engaged, from interactive content to user-friendly navigation. You'll have your own customized learning hub, easily bookmark and revisit important sections. Take notes directly on course components, keeping all your thoughts organized. Everything is designed to help you focus on your goals and track your progress effectively. Getting to the content you need has never been easier. Single sign-on login simplifies access to all resources. Some of the core materials are available publicly for quick reference and sharing. The advanced search feature lets you find specific topics or lessons in seconds. Collaboration is key to a rich learning experience. Use discussion forums to connect with instructors and fellow learners. Share insights, ask questions, and get multiple perspectives on complex topics. Build a strong sense of community by actively participating in class discussions. It is important to celebrate your achievements. Keep track of all the completed tasks, quizzes, and milestones with ease. You can instantly download customizable certificates once you've completed a course. Clear tracking helps you stay motivated and focused on your learning goals. Be sure to explore everything this modern, inclusive, and engaging platform has to offer. You're in control of your learning journey. Use the new tools to excel. If you need any support, do not hesitate to reach out at support@alnafi.com. We are always here to help.